Hello, in this video I want to show you how to change sound mode preset in Metz Google TV. To do this, first we'll need to click on the gear icon on our remote, then go to the settings, right here select display and sound, go for the sound. Right here, if you want to pick different sound style preset, you can do it right here, but before that, make sure that your Dolby audio processing is disabled. Now we can click on the sound style and switch between user, standard, vivid, sports, movie, music, or news. And there's also option to do it with Dolby audio processing. To do this, enter Dolby audio processing, enable it, and then on the second option there's the sound mode, and here you can also switch between game, movie, music, news, stadium, standard, or user. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.